This video shows how to inspect and test fiber end faces using the P5000i fiber microscope and the Auto Test on In Focus setting available with FiberCheck Pro software version 2.3.0. To complete this process, you need a PC or laptop, the P5000i fiber inspection microscope, and fiber optic cleaning tools such as the IBC brand One Click or Stickler's brand Clean Clicker cleaners. The P5000i is pictured here. To use the P5000i on your laptop or PC, connect the P5000i's USB connector to a USB port on the computer. Please note the location of the test button. This button is used to enable the Auto Test on In Focus feature. I will now demonstrate how to set up and run pass-fail analysis with the Auto Test on In Focus feature. After launching FiberCheck Pro, click the Setup option in the top right corner of the screen and select FiberCheck Pro Setup. The FiberCheck Pro Setup screen will be displayed. Select the Microscope option to display Auto Test on In Focus options. The feature will be disabled by default. Select Enable with Test button to enable or disable the feature with the Test button on the P5000i. Select Enable with Test button or fiber insertion to enable the feature whenever a fiber is inserted into the probe tip or whenever the probe tip is inserted into the bulkhead. Additional settings allow you to specify the required focus duration, enable test limit editing, or show a number on the focus meter. Click OK in the lower left corner to confirm the selection and display the inspection screen. Using the drop-down menus at the top of the screen, select the optical setting and profile that match the tip and fiber under test. Insert the bulkhead tip into the bulkhead or insert the patch cord ferrule into the patch cord tip on the microscope. If you selected Enable with Test button in Setup, as I did, press the Test button on the P5000i microscope. Ready to Auto Test on In Focus is briefly displayed at the bottom of the screen. Adjust the focus wheel of the P5000i to focus the fiber end face. The left horizontal bar on the screen is the focus meter, which indicates the level of focus. The fiber is automatically tested when the end face is in focus. It's that easy. Press the Test button on the P5000i microscope. Ready to Auto Test on In Focus is briefly displayed at the bottom of the